Yeah, I should record this from the beginning, but YouTube, this is what y'all get. It's almost ready. And they fixed the wire harness that was cut when I first bought it. I don't know what they did, but they fixed it. My boy, Mr. Marcus. Yeah. I think the door locked. We got the key working. Sunroof was broken. I mean, the panoramic roof was broken while they was transporting it down. Rims ugly. Hate these rims. But one more week. Show you guys the whole car. And the muffler came in the car, which was crazy. I don't know why did they take the muffler off. This is the inside. Airbags deployed. Gotta get new dash, new steering, airbag. But yeah, one more week. And this right here is the old door that they had to cut to open them. And this is the new one. This is going on. I think this is from 2018. They cut both doors, but the doors still, panels are still good. I'm gonna reuse them. And this hood came from 2014, I think.